Okay, I did a video on this engine a couple of weeks ago, I think it was. We were down the coast, been serviced, done everything to it, and I put some new fuel in. Let me just show you. So underneath there, which was further along, it was up underneath the other seat, is a 30-litre fuel tank. That was connected to a pipe that went into the hull of the boat, out, and came out here. There's a little hole there. And what I did, I'd added this fuel additive because someone said it's a really good idea, especially with the winter starting, well, not winter just yet, but if you're not going to use the engine much and you're storing it, it's always best to add a fuel additive which stops crystallization happening inside the carb. So when you come to start it next year or in the winter times when you just want to keep it going, it stops the carb from being crystallized, so it should start first time, or start anyway. So I did that, and this thing, it just would not go. I'd had it serviced, cleaned. So I put this additive in, and what it had done, I think it had clogged the whole carb up. So down, thumbs down for the additive. I'm not even going to put it in the description. So what I did is I changed, see that? So I changed this, the fuel line. I drained the tank. I kept it for, it's going to go in the lawnmower with the fuel. I put a new lead on. It's not been started for a while. I'm not saying it's going to start first time. I'm hoping it will. Fingers crossed. But I did it not long ago. It was only less than half a pull. So let's see. I'm just going to do a quick one. Right, ready? See, what a difference. Effortless. Let it get warm. I also did a bit of a the wee boy is chucking water into a bucket. I have to keep filling the bucket up, so what I did, put an old drain pipe, chucks in the drain pipe back into the tank for a sufficient circle. It should warm up. Look at the difference now. An hour of pulling my arm out because it was advised to put a fuel additive in. Never again. I missed that. A lot of fun and a lot of fishing. Sweet though, isn't he? Look at that, sweet as a nut. 4-stroke, 9.9 Murcury. I'll pause it. It's just like getting warm and slowing down. Here we go. Give it a second. Look at that. Sweet. So that was the problem with the start when we were down the coast. Fuel additive, chucked it in, sucked it into the bottom of the carb, and then of course it just chucked it into the cylinders and it just would not go. So I don't know why it did it. And when I took the bulbous thing off this, I had a big one of these, and I took that off and squeezed it here, it just poured out all this brown stuff. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. This is just an update on the 9.9 Murcury. If you enjoyed the vid, that would be appreciated. And yeah, just a very quick video to show you that it does run sweet enough. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Eat some more. Look at that. Quick pull. Got to be done. I just love the sound of this engine. Ooh, that's when it pulls you back. Look at that! Alright, take care. See you in the next one.